Oh my goodness.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a little insight on how I set up for vendor events. So this particular event, me and my student that was helping me out, we actually got there super early. We were the first vendors there, and we actually were there before the person who's running the event. You see her in the background. So we actually had to help her move some tables before we actually were able to set up. I like to get to events really early just to make sure everything is working properly. I have to make sure that my hotspot is set up. I was actually serving coffee, iced coffee and hot coffee during this event, so I had to get there early enough for my coffee to brew. And that clip in the beginning actually was an incident that I had with my coffee urn, so it's a blessing that I got there early because I actually had to run out and go get a whole nother coffee urn from a store close by.
Oh my goodness.
So the coffee urn, I bought 2 coffee urns from Quill on business credit, and one of them was leaking from the bottom. So the whole first drawer of where I had my supplies was completely drowned out. Also, I'm working on how I want my uniforms. I'm working on getting some collar shirts made for me and my girls whenever we go to set up. And I'm just trying to understand what I want. So I'm doing trial and error for these uniforms. So this particular day, I just told the girls wear black pants and a pink shirt. And I got my pants from Shein. And you can see it here. Quick little front and back action. I'm so in love with these pants. But I'm kind of short, so I tried to pull them up as high as I could, but that didn't quite work for me because of the curves. Gotta respect the curves. I have another video showing all the different things that I use, all the different things that I actually bought to help me set up for more vendor events. It's been a while since I was able to do a vendor event prior to this one, since COVID. So I was really excited about this one. I usually only do 6-foot tables, but this particular event was an 8-foot table that was given us. and here is just a little bit of footage of what the table looked like finished. Most of the things that I have on my table I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just like changed up some of the colors, changed up a few embellishments to match with my brand.